Morning guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to the vlog. Today we are in Stewarts Cascades Trail and near Sundance Mountain. Going to hike to find a waterfall. It's a 3.1 mile loop out and back, I believe.
Not far.
Not far. I think it said like an hour and 45 minutes to complete.
Oh look, from the thing.
Yeah, Stewarts Cascades Trail number 056. So we're at, I don't know what valley we're in. Heber Valley maybe? Or Canyon, I mean. But we got about...
Timpanaguas.
Well, Timpanaguas. There's also a cave around here somewhere. I think we're going to find this guy. So we got about an hour to go there.
Wait, okay, the trail's already splitting. Do we go left or right?
Yeah, we're already lost.
Opal, come on.
This can't be good.
I'm gonna choose
Opal's gonna lead the way. We made it 10 feet. We already went the wrong way. So.
Here does this like smell like cinnamon?
Maybe it does. Yeah?
I don't know.
No, I think it's just like the plants.
Yeah.
Something.
I like the smell of the outdoors.
Back on track. Kinda. We're taking a shortcut here. That's where we're supposed to go. That's where we came from. But hopefully the rest of the day is not like this. We made it 3 minutes in and we're both out of breath. Walking up this steep trail that's very slippery. I just said to Kat, I think once we get the rest of our scuba diving gear, I'm gonna start hiking with the oxygen tank on my back.
It says we're at 70, or not 70, 7,000.
We're 7,000 feet elevation, so the air's a bit thin. Thinner. I'm ready for scuba diving. I think it's a lot less, oh boy. Opal, come on.
Wow, sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
I
think even she's out of breath. Opal. This is what happens when you're fat, Opal. Again, the dog's all strapped in.
This is already a bad idea.
The cat didn't want to carry the leash.
Oh god.
That was good. That was real good. Oh, oh, I think it's slippery. That's weird. It's nice and slippery there. We almost went for a ride down the mountain.
Wedding down there.
Yeah, there's actually a wedding right down there.
We're gonna crash it.
We're gonna crash the party, but we decided not to.
This looks pretty
Locked and loaded.
Go this way. Sit. No, sit. Look, it's a squirrel.
Where?
I saw its tail. Oh, well, you're not going down there. I think it's. Oh, you see it?
Oh. What are you doing, buddy?
Yelling at Opal. They're gonna come attack her. If we gotta start running, he's looking at her. No.
Oh.
Come on, baby. Come on.
She doesn't like the squirrels.
I don't want to run, man. No.
Oh boy. I'll lose my phone.
Come here.
Currently at 7,080 feet elevation. My fat ass can tell. I'm out of breath.
Pretty colors.
Come on, Opal. Opal, come on. Come on.
I'll go 1, 2, 3.
You guys are all tangled. You gonna jump? Don't break your legs. Opal, come here.
It's shorter over here.
Is it? Oh, okay. Come on, Opal, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She made it. Oh God. So, we were all the way down. There's that right there. Now we're up here.
Acquired some rope burn from Opal's leash.
Yeah, Opal decided to run after another dog. I will say that I'm feeling a lot better now than I did 20 minutes ago. I'm actually not as tired. Can't see it anymore. Definitely not anymore, actually. Right over there.
We can hear it.
We can hear it. There she is. It's only like 25% of it.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
It's hot in the sun.
It's very hot. We have maybe 5 more minutes to hike. It's probably been an hour. Doesn't feel long. My feet hurt though.
I know.
Don't have good shoes on. Kat has good shoes on. Lucky her. And Opal is looking forward to going swimming.
Me too.
Me too. But we don't have a swimsuit with us. We did not have a swimsuit last time. There's also a lot less people last time. What was that?
I said it was a core memory, you know, I'm never gonna forget it.
About to eat shit. We lost Opal. She's all the way over there. She hears the water. Oh, Opal found the water.
Yeah, she was rushing to come down here. She wanted to come down here the wrong way. Happy dog.
Yeah.
Gotta go over there.
I have to go all the way up there. Not actually. We're not walking up. You like it, Opal? Go in! Opal, go in the water! Opal! Go in the water! Come on! Come on! Opal! Opal!
And just like that, we make our way back to the car.
Yeah.
Great views.
We're gonna put the camera away before we hike back because it is quite steep going back. So we're gonna end the video here and hope you guys enjoyed. One last view and we'll see you next time.